Dream Challenges are open science competitions in which researchers from all over the world are invited to synergetically solve difficult biomedical problems. The data for Dream Challenges is provided by leading scientists who work in coordination with Dream organizers to pose the most pressing questions in current biomedicine and to evaluate the accuracy of the proposed solutions. In this way, DREAM provides a platform to benchmark computational biology algorithms, promote reproducible science, accelerate scientific research, and foster collaboration to contribute to the advancement of translational research. This is DREAM.
In the beginning, we wanted to validate network inference algorithms, but in time we realized that we could validate prediction algorithms, and then that we can form communities to start to work together and to make the whole be bigger than the parts, or what is also called the wisdom of crowds.
Working with so many different teams around the world and trying to come up with models that can be reproducible and reusable. I think that's very important moving forward.
And I wanted to leverage the global community to figure out how we could all solve this problem, how we could figure out how to identify mutations in any tumor type that would be useful to change patient treatment, that would change the way in which we identify variants that are associated with the response of specific drugs, and that really give us a better way to access personalized cancer care.
We're trying to use the DREAM framework to find the best possible predictors of treatment response for individuals afflicted with rheumatoid arthritis.
It will require a community of scientists to think about how to understand this complex data.
The whole international community is looking towards this group to actually determine the most accurate way of interpreting a patient's genome. So we're very excited about this.
These DREAM challenges provide a good opportunity to test our algorithms to see if they are working in other external data.
Once you have a set of algorithms that people and community can reuse and re-engage, I think that's truly transformative and disruptive, because a lot of the things are just being kept in the silos, which is not being reused in future. So that's the way I see DREAM Challenges, and that's what keeps me very passionate about the future of it.
From the DREAM Challenge, I think we're going to have a real blossoming of high-quality, reproducible software that will advance the field.
As a computer scientist, I always found it kind of hard to find the large amount of data for our analysis. DREAM just delivers to my hand, so it makes my life much easier.
It's not a one-way system. It's not something where you get knowledge, you codify it, you put it in a database and store there. We keep evolving.
One of the best things about the challenge was collaborating with all the different groups. There were so many different people with really incredible ideas and personalities, and the idea that I had at the beginning of how to run this challenge really evolved as we started working together as a team.
Things like the DREAM Challenge allows many groups to access the data, use their best ideas about how to think about the data, work with the data, and from that we should come out with more robust, universal solutions that everybody can use.
I think the lessons that we've learned here and the tools themselves can be brought to clinic.
The creation of a platform that guarantees that when people say they can do something, they can predict a certain outcome, they can actually do it above any doubt. That did not exist before.
Activities like the DREAM Challenge are putting reproducibility on the line.
I won't be satisfied with DREAM if we cannot help patients.
Each row in that data set is a person, and I know many of those people, and I've watched many of those patients die. And so there's a very strong motivation for me to find answers quickly and to have people look at this, and if other people see things that I don't, that's great.